Hey everyone, Gil Hiller of Gray Man Prepping. All right, so got multiple unboxings here. All right, so let's start with the small one here. And it's got a zip tie on it here. Not much. Got another one of these because I needed it for the other computer. Talked about these before. It's a little short corded 4-port USB add-on. So I got another one of those for that. This one here is something else I got by recommendation of Rebel Canners. Tammy and I were talking about it after one of the lives and going over some stuff, and not sure which way is going to be up or down on this. All right, so linseed oil. This is the good organic food grade stuff. I've got several cutting boards here that were my mom's or my wife's grandmother's, and need to be redone. So I'm going to be fixing those up. And then I got the new one I got that needs to be coated, needs to be treated anyway. So I'll be doing that. Let's get it out of my way. There we go. And so that's what this is for. The big box here. Oh, I got to show you this. Oh, okay. Hey, they really sealed this box up good there, didn't they? And the bottom feels a little loose too. So didn't even need the knife. It just peels off the other side here. Jeez. So, hey, I got a piece of packing material, packing tape to use again. All right, let's open this up here. And okay, so what I got in here, I need to put up some hot wire around the other side of the property. We're putting up the electric fence and stuff where you get the chickens more room to run and everything else. And so it's the huge area that's over there is going to take a lot of these things. These are the little, these are 5-inch offsets. They had put up around here using like 2-inch offsets and 1.5-inch offsets. And there's always making contact with the fence, the regular fence wire itself. So I'm just going to set it off a bit. And so I got 5 or 4. Let's see. Got 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of the ones that clip onto the T-posts, and they're 25 per bag. And then one of the ones, and it comes with the nails in it, to go on the wooden post, because across the one side of the property over there is all 6-inch cedar posts going across it, and then there's some every now and then coming up the side. So I need to get this, and my daughter's going to be adding some more T-posts to divide it off and stuff. So to separate chickens from the areas the kids are playing in and stuff like that. Then I got some hot wire gate connectors so we can get through from one area to another without getting zapped ourselves. Put that over there, and I can do it. All right, got rid of that one. Coming up, supposed to be arriving on Tuesday, is a 3,300 foot spool of high visibility hot wire that's supposed to be arriving. And so that will be what we'll be using this and 5 bags of insulators, isolators, whatever you want to call them. These. So that'll be a project coming up here, ongoing over the next month or so, depending on weather and how dry the field is for us to get out in there and do stuff. So, alrighty. So, yeah, get prepared for anything and get stuff taken care of and learn a new skill. I'm going to be learning how to treat cutting boards and stuff here. I'm going to be watching several videos on it and learning how to do it properly. So learn a skill yourself.